Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to save time with Instagram quick replies. If you want to save time spent answering the same questions in direct messages over and over again, then start using Instagram quick replies. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use them. Firstly, let's see how to create a quick reply. In this case, go to your Instagram profile page. Click on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Hit Settings at the bottom of the screen. After that, press on the Business section. Tap the Quick Replies option. In order to create a quick reply, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Type in your quick replies text and the keyboard shortcut. However, keep in mind that a shortcut cannot include any spaces. Then hit the checkmark icon. Now go to Instagram Home tab. Find the paper airplane icon in the top right corner and press on it. Once the direct messages inbox opens, click on the conversation where you would like to insert a quick reply. Tap the plus icon in the message window. Hit the chat icon. In order to add a quick reply to a message, click on the one you have previously created and it will be inserted into a message window. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to save time with Instagram quick replies. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.